Prime Day is one of Amazon's largest global shopping events, exclusively for Prime members that offer great deals and exclusive content. We seek to excite and delight our customers as we continue to improve their shopping experience, and promotions are a crucial component to this objective. In 2023, Prime members purchased more than 375 million items worldwide, making it the biggest Prime Day event in Amazon's history. Prime members worldwide saved over $2.5 billion, more than any other Prime Day event. It was the biggest Prime Day event for Amazon's selling partners, most of whom are small and medium-sized businesses, whose sales growth in Amazon's store outpaced Amazon's retail business. It is important to run deals and coupons in your Amazon store, as it will provide you with several benefits, namely, number 1, improving discoverability of your brand and products, as the offers will be featured on today's deals page, which will help to promote your brand and make your products discovered easily to customers. Number 2, products running as deals receive additional badging in search results, helping customers find your best offers. Number 3, benefit from marketing efforts for Prime Day event, as Amazon will drive traffic through Amazon homepage and via Amazon mass advertising. Lastly, by increasing sales across your brand by offering discounts on products. You can promote your best sellers, reduce overstock, and free up FBA storage. So what are you waiting for? Head to your Seller Central account, hover over the Advertising tab, visit Deals, Vouchers, and Prime exclusive discounts, and submit your promotions now. Be ready for this mega event and get maximum success this Prime Day. Thank you and happy selling!